Welcome to week 18. It's time to make something. Thanks for being here. Week 18 is around getting things done and creating something. First, take attendance. Then I want you to update your getting things done document, whatever that is. Okay? Just a reminder that we're trying to get things out of our head into our trusted system so we can focus on one thing at a time. Add the Fibonacci numbers because the complexity of a task is the most challenging thing for teams, is how do we organize, who's doing what, and so on. So a reminder that something simple, quick, just you is a 1. A 21 could be multiple hours, multiple resources, multiple people, but much, much more complex. Make something. If you're in game design, I want you to complete the Ghost Shooter tutorial and publish it to Itch. If you're in film, I want you to make a short 30-second film that highlights some of your abilities with just your phone or your computer. And in Rock, I want you to make a song element. That could either be just a chorus or a riff or something. We'll talk more about that in class. And reminder, structure is where your success comes from. Focus on one intention for a period of time and then set a timer. Reminder, what does our brain do? I love this website. This particular entry is really great because if we know what these distortions are, we have power over them and have more control over our thought process. Powerful stuff. All right, still need to improve your score in class? Improve? Do extra analysis blog posts, 4 points for each one you complete. Email me and identify which missing project you would like me to replace the score for. All right, a review again this week. Thank you, and now for questions.